Hi everyone, welcome back to another video and Happy New Year. So I know I haven't been uploading just because for the holidays I kind of wanted to just take a break and enjoy the time with my friends and family and want to come back here fresh and new. And as you can see, I got my hair cut and I got my hair re-dyed so I don't look busted in these next videos coming up. And I have so much things to show you guys, especially because I still have stuff from the Comic-Con, from the Anime NYC, and all of the stuff that I've been ordering online, which I shouldn't be doing. But like, here's like my quick little New Year's resolution is to lose weight and to be more financially aware and stable with my wallet. Okay, so but yeah, no, I do have a lot of things that I want to show you guys, and there have been a lot of pre-order items like anime stuff, which is why I haven't really been showing a lot of anime stuff here on this channel lately, because it's all back-ordered. Like every single thing has been back-ordered. I have so many cool things that should have already come out and they have not been able to ship to the United States. So that's just what it is. But in today's video, I'm gonna go back to Apple because I realize, you know, Apple's never going to make I believe it's a 12-inch MacBook ever again. And their new way to kind of, you know, re-innovate and make a newer version of that without actually calling it a MacBook is the iPad Pro. So the iPad Pro, the new one, the 2021 version, I believe this is the 2021 version. Yep. The 2021 version of the iPad Pro does now come with the M1 chip, which the new MacBooks have the same thing. So this one is going to be, in my opinion, more or less the replacement of my baby 12-inch MacBook. Now, it won't do as 100,000% as much as a MacBook, but I was able to try it out at the Apple store, and I'm actually very, very impressed so far, just because like on regular iPads, okay, you can just buy a keyboard and it will work like an iPad, you know what I mean? Like you can't use like a touch track, or you can't do like Google Docs and like slides on like your actual iPad. You actually need to get the apps in order to do it. But now in the iPad Pro, the M1 version, you can now do it like a computer, especially if you get the Magic Keyboard. Now the Magic Keyboard is basically your keyboard, mouse pad, trackpad, and it makes your iPad an actual computer. So like this by itself, you can use the Apple Pencil and it's great by itself, wonderful. But in order to maximize its full potential, you would need to get the Magic Keyboard. Now, am I saying any of this is cheap? No, it's not. All right, so let's open up this before we talk about this, okay? Because I do want to use it. This is going to be more of my traveling stuff, while the other computer, the MacBook Air that I recently unboxed for you guys on this channel, will be stuck at my school. I have another one here that's going to be at home, and this one is a travel. You know, I don't really need all of this. I shouldn't be needing all of this, but somehow, some way, Apple finds a way for it to be more convenient for me this way. I don't know. So yeah, let me just open this up. And it doesn't want to come out. So, of course, your MacBook Pro, it's very light. It is so light. Oh my gosh, it is light. Like, I tried it with the keyboard, and I didn't get to feel it on itself, but it is light. Like, this is light. Why is it so light? Oh my gosh. It kind of feels almost as light as the Mini. Cool. Okay, so yeah. So this is the iPad Pro. It is 128 gig. I will turn it on in a second. But in your box, you get your usual adapter that kind of fell off already because it doesn't want to be in the box anymore, and your lightning cable. So that's the good stuff about this. Okay, you get your little manuals. You know, you're the same shenanigans from this stuff. I have not gotten a screen protector yet for this. I probably do have one. I want to say I have one. I think I actually have one because my iPad Air, it seems to be the same exact size. So I'm probably just going to put the one that I have already on this one. But let's open her up. And again, my fingers are unworthy, but we're going to do it anyways. No. Okay, here we go. Here is the iPad Pro. Okay, this iPad Pro for 128 gig with Wi-Fi only is $799 by itself. Okay, you still get your same functions as an iPad Pro. However, this one actually does 5G. It comes with the M1. And you can do a lot more editing. And like I said, like I tried it in the Apple Store, this one functions as close to the MacBook as possible. Like no other iPad, I believe, from my experience, does that. So I highly recommend it. If you still want it like one of the discontinued 12-inch MacBooks, this is going to be our new version of that. I believe they're not making it anymore, or at least anywhere near that capacity and that size anymore, because the new 2021 MacBooks, 14 and 16 inches are obviously bigger than the 13-inch now. I learned that the hard way. I'm just saying. So now I'm gonna open the MacBook the Magic Keyboard, and show you guys how that looks like. I don't think you have to charge this. It'd be pretty weird if you do, but whatever. It doesn't seem like you do. All right, it doesn't seem like you do. So here it is. It comes like a little notebook. It's like the same folio thing. We're gonna quickly just open it up. Yep, same material as a folio. All you do is just snap it on there. But what's cool about this, oh, there's instructions. Nice. Okay, so, and this is what it looks like inside. So it is soft for it to be held, for us to hold the iPad. Okay, so in order to have it, because it's in awkward position right now, all you have to do is just fold this one backwards, and you will have a handy dandy like that. So you gotta lean it backwards so that way you can see it, and then you will have your keyboard. It's like literally the same exact keyboard as like any MacBook, and then you have like your dead ass trackpad. Like this is so fucking cool, you guys. That's why I'm saying you need to get both if you want to get the max capacity of a computer. Now there are other cheaper versions of this keyboard, but even like the employee said honestly it wouldn't work as efficiently if you wanted the 100,000% max capacity of an iMac. In this iPad Pro, you would need to get the Magic Keyboard, which I 100% would agree, because Apple wouldn't make something for an iPad for itself that you only need to use their own items in order to get the max capacity, you know what I mean? But this Magic Keyboard, like I would say you decide on how you want to budget your money. This Magic Keyboard actually was $299. So in total, I ended up spending like about $1,100 plus tax. Again, it's up to you. You know what you want to do. Now here, all you have to do if you want to close it is just from it leaning, you put it forward, and then you close it like a book. And there you go. Now it's your case. And then you can still put your Apple Pen if you still want to use your Apple Pen, which again, it is highly, highly, highly useful. It weighs maybe almost about the same as the 12-inch MacBook. So honestly, you're just getting a steal like this. So I don't know. I'm so excited to use it. I can't wait to put on the screen protector and use it right away. But thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and thank you guys so much for being here and staying with me, even though I've been gone for like about 2 weeks. But yeah, but Happy New Year, everyone. And if you like this video, please leave a like, comment down below if you would actually buy this, because I did and I fell in love with it right away. Share this video and subscribe. I make new videos every week, at least once a week, so hopefully I can continue doing that. And if you want to see all my other social medias, including my YouTube accounts, podcasts, Instagram, or TikTok, I've been trying to upload on TikTok as well a lot more. If you want to see more content on there, then please check those links out. Those will be in the description below. And as always, I will see you all next week. So me and this lovely, 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 I'm going to try to open it again. Lovely iPad Pro 11-inch, and we are out. Bye, guys.